Hi, today I'm going to do a demo of my final project for my introductory object-oriented programming course. And the project is essentially an implementation of the Vim text editor in C++. Let me show you guys how my implementation works. So to get started, you type in the executable name, you type in the executable name followed with the name of the file that you want to edit. Now, once we're in, to begin making some edits, we use the standard Vim keybinds to go into the different modes. So I to go into insert mode, or capital R to go into replace mode. Lovely. And you can hit escape to go back to normal mode. Now, we can also multiply our commands using numbers. So I can type in 3W to go to the go 3 words forward. So once I type in 3, you'll see that in the bottom right corner, you can see the character 3, and this basically displays whatever command that you have typed in that's still waiting for more keystrokes before a command is executed. So once we type 3, we go forward 3 words, and you can see that the bottom right corner is now cleared. Now, if we want to go back forwards, we hit 4B, and boom, it's done. You can also multiply commands that are edit commands. For example, 3O, we type hello. Once we go into escape, once we go into normal mode, it gets multiplied by 3. Now, if we want to undo this, we just simply hit U or Control R to redo it. And what this is doing is it's traversing a list that represents the edit history of the file. Now, the hardest part of the project for me was handling commands that interacted with each other. For example, D, C, and Y. These commands, once you type them in, you can see that we're waiting on another keystroke. They can be chained with commands that are motion commands to create different behavior. For example, DD deletes the line and puts it into your text buffer. For example, if we undo this, we do DW, we delete the next word. D5L, we delete the next 5 characters. And to get all of these behaviors to work together, how I essentially did it was I used the factory pattern and the command pattern, where commands were their own objects that had methods to create other commands to allow commands to be fed into each other, essentially. And they also had a method responsible for executing whatever behavior it was that needed to be executed. Now, to end this demo off, I'll show you my favorite features. The first is text wrapping. So let's say I type in 100i, I type hello. We can see that the text wraps. And how I got this to work is essentially I set up some methods to help me convert between positions in the actual text buffer and positions on the terminal screen. Something else that I thought was pretty cool was macros. So you can record a macro by hitting Q followed by whatever register that you want to record into. So let's say register A. You can see on the bottom of the screen that I'm now recording into register A. So let's say I type hello. I go into escape mode and I hit Q to stop recording. Now I hit @A and you can see that the keystrokes have been repeated. Now to save the file, to quit the file, you can call in Q, or in our case, we want to save the file, so we hit WQ. And to see that we have saved the file successfully, let's just cat, and you can see everything has been saved successfully. Now that's it from me, and thank you guys for watching this demo.